For thousands of years, traditional Chinese medicine has unlocked the body's natural ability to heal.
This part, if you continue to do, you may possibly damage your shoulder muscle.
It works to restore energy flow, release tension, and promote deep healing.
I feel I can feel the connection.
It's a reconnection with the body. The mind reconnects with the body.
In this journey, Méline Liu explores the power of these time-honored techniques and the transformative effects they can have on the mind and body.
So today, Dr. Zhang going to have a hands-on experience with me. We want to show you the behind the scene of what the practice like in the Chinese doctor's office. The Chinese medicine method is slower, but there's a progression and there's a moderation of a treatment that bring you to have more awareness of your body and your health. Dr. Zhang is very philosophical. Every time after his session, I not only feeling better, I gain some wisdom with him as well. I don't see a lot of proper Chinese doctor talk about it in an English context. So for us, it's not about to tell you you should do it, you should not do it, but we want to show you a color that being existing in this, let's say, rainbow of modern medicine and traditional medicine. And I believe this can show you another perspective of a complementary medicine. But I still suggest if you have a real health issue, you should go for proper health check with something you already know.
Méline was originally skeptical of traditional Chinese medicine, but since having weekly appointments with Dr. Zhang, she has experienced subtle changes in herself. His method gives moderation to the body, looking at the muscle lines and finding the optimum way to release qi.
Méline, in the beginning, or just take your pulse and check your tongue. And so this is a basic diagnosis or use for considering to do with Chinese medicine philosophy accordingly.
By looking at Méline's pulse and the health of her tongue, Dr. Zhang is able to build a picture of how different parts of her body are interacting with one another.
In my opinion, you have much more tension built up from your liver side. So liver get a constructive congestion qi and build up. So for yourself, you possibly can feel the tender in one side more than other. From the tongue checking, I can see the crack in the middle of your tongue still. Sleep not enough. Have some digestion issues still, because the tongue coating is white and greasy. Yeah, so that means you still have some inflammation inside the digestive system going on. That's affecting the whole skin, and then you create some tender in the muscle in somewhere. The forearm, this is from the fascia theory, getting very locked. You can really tell, you see, look at the skin. So that means you build up blockages in between, underneath of your skin. For example, you're busy with work, you try to deal with everything. So it always like overflowing, yes, with your yang energy. So this is also because your liver get constructed qi, which is compress the qi flowing for your lungs. So what we're gonna treat, we're gonna put in some acupuncture needles, trying to balance. Yes? Okay. Yes. This side of your legs also tell the tensions build up. So this basically shows this side of the muscles are tighter than the opposite side. So later on, we're gonna needling around this area so you can feel what is built up inside the body. You will see your tongue coatings getting light and more moist after our session.
Traditional Chinese medicine takes time to prepare the body before treatment. Dr. Zhang carefully traces the muscle lines in Méline's body using delicate instruments to awaken the area. With a lifetime dedicated to this craft, he knows exactly where to trigger, unlocking the body's potential for healing and ensuring the treatment's full effectiveness.
This part is very connecting with your stomach and the gallbladder.
I feel my muscle is being piece by piece rather than one piece.
Your body is more connecting, your body's not starting getting more relaxed. It's a reconnection with the body. The mind reconnects with the body. Now we need to treat your damaged muscle. This is what we call damaging the muscle. We have to actually to get a repair, get to regenerate it.
I definitely feel there's more, like almost a room or air in between different muscles, like became softer.
Very, very important. Soften is the key.
Yeah.
Soften your body and softening your energy.
Yeah.
It's reduce the tension in your mind, actually, by reshape your body.
Dr. Zhang's movements are subtle, yet they can trigger profound changes, releasing deep-seated tension in the body.
Oh, that's the big one already.
I feel it.
Yes. How you feel, Méline?
It's a very subtle feeling. It's not like this, but it's more like a little tickle.
So, get back to the concept. We cannot really work in the internal organ directly, but we could, through loosening the ending of the fascia, to adjust the internal organs.
How do I make sure the muscle always stay in the good place?
I do believe stretching is very important, especially for people doing regular exercise, especially such big city in London. Lots of young people do. You have to stretching in the right way. You have to know where you and how to stretch.
Dr. Zhang then shifts his focus to Méline's upper body. Because we rely on it more often than our lower body, the nerves here are more sensitive and more susceptible to blockages. He starts carefully easing tension and restoring flow.
Okay, there we are. So what I'm trying to do is we're trying to find out, trying to loosening the ending of the muscle fascias to getting the whole system getting unblocked.
In traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture is a slow and precise practice. Dr. Zhang meticulously prepares the area before placing a single needle with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring optimal effectiveness.
There we are.
It's actually getting less. The first time it's a little bit sore, but now I don't feel much.
Yes.
I feel I can feel the connection with my arm more than I can feel the connection with my legs.
Yes.
But it's almost like what you said, it's like a journey to self, that you start to getting those shut down nuances back. I feel that's a quite interesting way to be able to assess to the body feelings whenever you want to.
So I treat 2 breast cancer patients, late stage breast cancer last year. What I treat through, I just treating for the forearm because that's the fascia related with the breast. When I unblock this part, the symptoms, the cancer's being less aggressive.
Wow.
Yes, the skin get better, good blood flowing. So this part is very related with women's breast area.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I feel they're quite blocked.
You didn't realize, no?
Yeah, you wouldn't think about it.
You see
this part.
This muscle is completely locked. You see this, you should feel sore, and that's quite a lot.
I never think about them at all. I just use them. You wouldn't think there could be a block there until you really feel about it. Like,
of course.
You don't know that's supposed to be flexible.
Yes.
In the dancing class, I observe people. Some people, they probably don't got a good move, maybe because they don't learn long enough. but they're looking better than the others.
Yeah.
I think it's the openness of
Yes.
your body. It's not about the movement. It's almost about the whole posture. And the reason you like certain people's look is maybe just subconsciously you know they're more healthy,
Correct.
and the healthy people
Healthy people.
feels more pretty, in a sense,
Correct.
more attractive.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because the chi, the energy.
Yeah. Yeah, that is it.
Now it was like so tight, like you play guitar, you feel that tension
Yeah.
in the string,
Yeah.
and something like that.
Okay. Wow.
So-
I'm going to get so much younger.
Correct. This part, if you continue to do, you may possibly damage your shoulder muscle.
Yeah, I feel every time I do this kind of movement, there will be a pop.
For the final part of the session, Dr. Zhang shifts his focus to Méline's core, working to cleanse and restore balance in her abdomen and back.
Last part, we're gonna do your stomach fascias.
Okay.
Now, stretching out your tongue.
Stretching out her tongue activates the entire body, engaging deep muscle connections and reaching their fullest extension.
When you stretching your tongue, all the muscles they're pulling upwards. And when you in, relax, and also I try to do the legs and all your fascia following. So it's whole body of your muscle fascias, they get adjusted.
Dr. Zhang completes the session with a neck adjustment, the vital bridge between body and brain. Méline has undergone an enlightening treatment, restoring balance and harmony within.
Hold down. Yeah, to relax. Yeah, just slowly. How you feel?
I feel very relaxed and sleepy. I probably want to go to bed early tonight. But I do feel warmed, like a lot of warmth, and I can
Warm
feel
sensation.
there has some more blood on my face. Feel really relaxed for sure.
Really?
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Great sensation. The tongue coating is dried out or clear up, and you have a juicy top of the tongue.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Méline's session has been a profound journey of healing. Through the precision of acupuncture and the wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine, tension has been released, energy restored, and balance regained.